Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So today I've got sort of cards in the mail that I've received. You might recognise this. This is the card that I made for the Pootler swap, and I received this in the mail. We all sent all our cards to Sam, and then she sorted them all out, and there was a few of us that ended up getting our own back, but I didn't mind, because I quite like the card, and I didn't sort of keep a sample for myself, and I quite liked it. So yes, and I'll probably send this to someone now. So that was okay. She did offer to send another, but I said don't worry about it. Okay, so that was what I made, and then I got this one. It's actually, you can see them underneath. Let's not spoil the surprise. So I got this lovely one. I love the way that the stitch so softly, sweetly, dies have been used here and cut off there. That's just such a cool idea, and a lovely use of that lovely mesh there. That's on camera now. That's annoying, isn't it? Let's just move it up out the way. Yeah, and I love the colouring there of the snowman. And this is a nice little mini card, and so it's got that lovely stitched frame on the inside, which I think is a super idea. Really like that. Quite like getting little mini cards, and great for Christmas if you're mass making. Cut down on resources. That's a brilliant idea. And this was from Janny von Beelen, and she is from the Netherlands, and she's got a lovely blog. So I will, in my blog post that you'll be able to link to, I will put everybody's details in that, and some photos, so you'll be able to see them. I did have mainly Christmas cards. I think I actually had all Christmas cards, to be fair. So this is using the poinsettia petals, and this is from Norma Tommy, one of our team, and I love the way that she's used different colours. I do love using different colours for Christmas cards, and this is beautiful. That's rich raspberry, isn't it? So I really like that. And she's got some great embossing there on the flower. That's much deeper than I get. Might have to play with my sandwich. And done a little bit of clear embossing there on the background. I don't know if you can see that. Really nice. Like that a lot. This card I love, and I have done a bit of a case of this, which may have already gone out. I can't remember. So this was from Donna. She's taffy crafting, and so she's got a YouTube channel, so she may well have made this card on YouTube already, but that's just lovely. Very simple, very stunning. I really like it. And then I got this card from Julie Addison. She's My Lunar Crafts, and how lovely is that? I really like it. And I don't have, well, I've got this twig punch, sprig punch, and I've got the stitch circles, and other than that I ain't got anything. And it is lovely, and I keep looking at that beautiful set and thinking, yeah, might have that. That's really shining in my eyes. Very gorgeous. And then I got this card from Heather, and she's Nellie's Hobbies, Stamped with Nellie, and she's on YouTube. And my little case of Donna's card was a bit of an amalgamation of both of these, and I loved the way she debossed there. Really like it. Love the embossing there on that snowflake. Gorgeous. And how cool just to do that bit of an envelope. What a lovely touch. So yeah, really like that idea. And I received two cards from Heather. Today I received this one from her, and it totally made me laugh. You might have seen my Instagram post and also my Facebook page that at the weekend I tidied my desk. I was doing a Facebook Live into the Facebook group that I've started with my good friend Jill from Paper Daisy Crafting, Come Crafting with Jill and Jez, and we did 2 Facebook Live sessions with some live crafting. I've put the replay on YouTube, and So she sent me this and she put a little message inside saying, I noticed you tidied your desks, so I thought I'd send you this little reminder. I don't want you to get too carried away with the housework. So it's crafting forever, housework whenever, you know, and it proper made me laugh. And I did say that normal service is now resumed and my desk is back to being a complete chaos. So yeah, loved making that, receiving that. And I've loved making this. So I'm sending this out in the post. So this video won't go out until she's got it. So this is for another good friend in the team, Karen McDonald. She is Corrie Paper Crafts. She's got a lovely YouTube channel. And I was watching her the other day and she was going, oh, right, now where have I written my measurements? And she's like, found a bit of paper. She went, I won't show you the scrap of paper that it's on. She says that I've put my measurements on. I really ought to get myself a nice notebook for writing them down. So I've made one. Well, I haven't made the notebook. I've decorated the notebook. So that's her crafty name. And so I've used some retired papers and got a little pocket in there. And I put a little tag in there and I'm going to write a little message on it for her. But I thought a little pocket in it might be useful for putting things. And I used a border punch and punched each one of these pages because I thought that would be pretty. And you know when you start something and you think, why on earth did I do that? Because this was a labour of love. Oh, look, a little bit there needs coming off. I missed that bit. Yeah, I did actually discover that I could do 4 pages at one time. I was initially doing it 1 page at a time, but the punch managed 4 at a time. It's not a stamping up punch. Shh, don't tell anyone. And I covered but it was worth it and it's so pretty. I do like it. So I covered the inside. So it is retired DSP, but it's nice and I'm sure she won't mind. And then I just put created pages. As I say, I didn't create the notebook, I just decorated it. So I am sending her that. And I had a thoroughly enjoyable day doing that, pulling out all my papers, deciding what to do. I know she loves this paper. So, and for me, it was quite nice to create using sort of pinks that I don't normally. I hope she likes pink. I can't actually remember if she likes pink, but I know she likes this paper, so I think she must do. Anyway, so that is my sort of cards in the mail, and how lovely and full of inspiration. Really enjoyed looking at these and receiving them. And I say I have done a little bit of a case of that. I'm thinking I might be doing that one. This one, I haven't got them set, but I might be able to do something similar, and I can certainly try this one out because I've got all of that. So look out for that. I will link to everybody that's got a blog. I will link to in my blog post, and I will have lovely pictures of these for you to look at and get inspired as well. So I'll be back with a project next time. Okay. Bye for now.